All right, so we got cut off with our 5 minute limit there. So I just kind of showing you the whole solution right here. This is for number five, and the correct answer was D. So let's move on to number six now. Okay, so number six was a graphical kinematics kind of a problem. So noticing that you have a VT graph right here. And if you notice, if you have a constant velocity right here that's in the positive area of the slope right there, or in the positive quadrant, you're going to have a positive slope. So if you notice right here and see there's a positive slope right here. Now that could have applied for these two also. But then you notice you're going from a high velocity to a low velocity right here. So you're decelerating or have a negative acceleration. And a negative acceleration is saying you were going fast, now you're going slow in that positive area. So C is the correct answer, where you kind of have a steep slope going to a less steep slope right there. And notice that's where your curve is. So that's your answer for that one too. The next thing that we did look at last class was the problem set for topic 2.1. I'm not grading these things right here. These are just for you to practice, and I'm providing you the problem set with the key. If you're having any questions that you really want to go over a problem, we can go ahead and meet individually, and you could use the fact sheet for that. I've got the directions right here to use the fact sheet, and we could go over some problems with the whiteboard individually in a video chat. So working today we're going to be trying to get in our hour time frame. Go ahead and get your formulas out. Go ahead and look through your physics textbook, your course companion, and the study guide. And I put some time in here just as sort of like an idea of how long, just to kind of look through, refamiliarize yourself with the topics, and also get out your journal, because you'll find those informations from last year's journal. So if you look at that, kind of connect it all together. Now with those resources, I put a bunch of extra resources right here. And I'm suggesting that you spend 10 minutes just looking through these to see what they are. Now you could take hours and hours going through all these resources here. That's not my intention right now. Feel free to spend that time if you want, but I want to keep everything within that hour and a half today. But go ahead and go back to those resources once you've looked through them for help. Now today's practice problem set, it's going to be ungraded. Okay. I said 12 minutes. Let's put 15. But you're going to go ahead and work through this topic right here. So here's your questions. Here's the key. Similar to last class. You don't have to finish it all. Again, I want you to stay within that hour and a half today. If you want to finish it all, that's up to you. But you'll go ahead. There's some FRQs and there's some multiple choice. So looking at your time, try to get a mix of the two, and feel free to use your partners, use people for help. So definitely connect with each other online, split the problems up, ask each other how you're doing. You want to save about 15 minutes at the end of class right now to do a quiz, and that quiz will be graded, but you can do it collaboratively also. So you can work with partners on that one too. And then finish up today with the attendance form, and if you have any feedback for me. So that's it today, guys. Have a great day and enjoy yourself.